Did you do it?
No, I didn't do it.
Okay, was it your son?
No,
Who normally pays for the bills?
I do.
You do?
So you still need to run?
Yes, ma'am. She's gonna be arrested for theft by services and damage to property. Miss Tina, look, there's no reason to cry.
Yes, there is.
You knew the lights were not done, ma'am.
On a sunny afternoon, January 24th, 2023, in Appling County, Georgia, a call brought Officer Craven to a quiet neighborhood. The face of the utility worker revealed visible concern.
This house?
Yeah, they left all ago though.
How long have they been stealing the power?
Well, they were cut off for non-payment on October the 5th.
How, is it the box? They got magnets on it or something?
No, they got jigsaw blades in there.
Yeah, that's gonna cause a fire. You said it's still hot?
Oh, yeah. Just throw the meter.
It's stuck them.
Well, they took the meter out. The meter was laying on the ground there. I got the number off of it. But they put jigsaw blades bypassing it.
Somebody's still in there.
Somebody.
Who's inside?
She left in the car a while ago, and I thought he was in there with her.
Alright, see if I can't knock. Well, there's somebody. Hey, brother.
Hey, hang on.
You doing alright?
Yeah,
Hey, what's going on with the power situation?
I have no idea.
Okay, who are you?
I'm staying here with my mom.
Okay, is that her on the phone?
Yeah, my wife is on the phone. Babe, put mom on the phone. You want it on speaker? or-
Yes, please. What's,
on speaker.
hey, what's
No.
her name?
Tina.
Miss Tina?
Yes, sir.
Where are you at right now?
Walmart in Baxley.
Alright, if you would, go ahead and make your way out here to your house so I can talk to you, please.
Yes, sir. I'm on my way.
Alright, thank you. Can you give them a call back and see about where they're at?
Alright, I just talked to my mom a little bit ago and she said they're still at Walmart because they're waiting on my uncle to send some money.
Okay, can you call her real quick? I'll just meet her at Walmart and talk to her. Because if I can't come talk to her, and be honest with you, if I can't talk to her, warrants will have to be cut. That's why I need to talk to her about the situation. Okay?
Warrants?
Yes, sir. Theft of services.
Ready.
Hey,
Hello.
That's
hey,
my wife.
that's your wife?
Yeah.
Where's Miss Tina?
Miss Tina's right here beside me.
Okay, can I talk to Miss Tina?
Yeah, hold on. Hello.
Hey, Miss Tina. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hey, this is Deputy Craven with the Appling County Sheriff's Office again. Are you still at Walmart?
Excuse me.
Are you still at Walmart?
I'm getting gas right now.
Okay, where are you getting gas?
I'm in front of Walmart. Murphy's.
Okay. If you want to meet me, if you want to hang tight right here at Murphy's and meet me, I'd like to have a conversation with you because if I can't get a hold of you, then I may have to cut warrants for theft of services.
Okay.
So can you
I'll wait for you.
can you stay right there where you're at so I can come talk to you, figure this out?
Yes, sir, I can.
All right. Miss Tina?
Yes, sir.
Hey, let me speak to you. So what can you tell me about the situation with the lights?
I got a bill. Oh, no, I'm sorry from there. I was really frantic that my lights got turned off, and I got a bill that said that it was paid, or I thought it was paid.
Okay.
And the lights got turned off, and I got a bill that looked like they took my deposit as part of the bill, or as the bill, so I just assumed that it was paid.
Okay.
And then a few days later, the lights were on, so I didn't think nothing of it.
Okay. Do you know who? Because hear me out, and I want you to listen to me carefully, okay?
Okay.
And honesty is where I need you to be right now. If you can't tell me who did it, your name's on them lights, and that is considered theft by services. So I need to know the truth and nothing but the truth. If your son did it, or if your grandson did it, or if your daughter-in-law did it, I need to know if you did it. Because, like I said, it's theft by services.
What's that mean?
Okay, that means you'll go to jail on theft by services charge. Means that you stole from a service company with the intent not to pay. Okay?
No, but I'm not doing that.
Okay, who did it?
I don't know who did it.
Okay.
I honestly do not know.
All right. Well, there's a jigsaw. Is that a jigsaw? There's a jigsaw blade and a Pioneer Woman cooking knife. Broke off blade stuck into where the meter box goes, and the meter box is on the ground, and the meter box is damaged. So there's also damage to property. So I need to know answers because from what REA had explained to us is that the power's been going since October, since it got cut off. It came back on back in October because of the two blades that are inside of the meter box. So I need answers. So can you be honest with me? And it's not, and don't consider it. I know you're probably thinking, oh, I don't want to tell on whoever it was, or if it was you don't want to tell on yourself. But honesty is going to get you a long way in life, and it'll get you further with us. So I need honest. Who did it? Did you do it?
No, I didn't do it.
Okay, was it your son?
No.
Who was it?
I spoke with the neighbor, and the next thing I knew, the power was on.
Okay. All right. Well, listen to me. You spoke with the neighbor about it, and the neighbor helped you out.
I assume so.
You assume so, or you know so?
I don't know.
Okay.
I honestly don't know.
All right, hang tight for me right here, okay?
Who normally pays for the bills?
I do.
You do? When was the last time you paid the bill? Light bill?
3 months ago.
3 months ago?
I do.
And it never occurred to you that, hey, this month's bill never showed up, or?
No, I'm pretty dumb like that.
I-
You know, I'm old. I'm getting more, but I honestly don't know the person that did it. I don't know who it was.
And
I don't know anybody up here.
Listen to me.
Okay.
Let me talk. Here's the thing. You make enough money to pay your lights. You haven't paid a bill in how long did you say?
Couple of months.
Couple months. You haven't paid a bill in 2 or 3 months. You know you haven't paid a bill in 2 or 3 months. You spoke with somebody about having your box done, and then it was done. So here's the
They
deal.
didn't tell me anything what they were going to do.
Well, you knew it because it's been 3 months. There's no, oh, I didn't know. So here's the deal. You're going to be arrested today for theft by services and damage to property, okay? Okay?
No.
Yes, ma'am, you are. You got this. Well, here's the deal. You've known it was like this for 3 months. You knew it wasn't right. You still did it. And like you said,
I was trying to get the money up to go pay it.
well, you just said that you have the money to pay the bills, you just don't.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that.
Okay?
I'm saying sometimes I don't know if I paid a bill or not.
Okay. Either way, it's still theft by services, and it's also damage to property for the box being damaged, or the meter being damaged, okay?
I didn't do it.
Is she able to drive your vehicle home?
No.
She don't have a license?
No.
Okay.
Nobody does. I'm the only one that has a license.
I got you. Okay, she's gonna have to call somebody to come pick her up, and we'll have to tow the vehicle.
I'm getting arrested. Because
Who did it?
Did she get arrested?
Who did it?
Can you answer the question?
Here's the thing. I don't answer questions. I ask the questions.
I know you ask the
Who did it? If you know who did it, step out the vehicle and let's talk. Step out the
she's
vehicle.
got a broke leg.
Okay. Well, who did it, ma'am? Did you do it?
No, I didn't.
Who did it?
Nobody in the house did it.
No one in the house did it.
Who was it?
The neighbor.
Okay. Why did the neighbor do it?
Because he felt sorry for her.
So he was asked to do. Here's the thing. I understand he felt sorry for her. She asked him to do something. He did it.
She didn't.
We can't prove that he didn't do it, right? You understand that, right? We can't prove that he did it. But what we can prove is that it's been done, and her name is on the light bill and has not been paid in 2 or 3 months. That's what we can prove.
So you still need to arrest her?
Yes, ma'am. She's gonna be arrested for theft by services and damage to property. Miss Tina, look, there's no reason to cry.
Yes, there is.
You knew the lights were not done, ma'am. Okay? Let me ask you a question. Do you have a phone?
Yes.
Do you have cigarettes?
I don't smoke.
Okay. Does anybody else in the house smoke?
Yes.
Okay. Who all has a phone?
Me and my daughter.
Okay. Do you have money to put in gas?
Sometimes.
Do you have money to do stuff that you want to do?
No. No. You just seen what I did, but
Okay. So here's the thing. You had money to pay your lights. So, if you want to call somebody to come pick you up, you're going to need to call somebody. If you want to go ahead and do that right now.
no, don't do this.
I got to. Listen, and it's nothing personal, I promise you, ma'am. Here's the issue. The issue is it's against the law. I'm a law enforcement officer, and I have to enforce the law, okay? Go ahead, have a seat. 21 I'm going to be 1095, one female.
Tina was officially arrested. Theft of services is a felony offense that can carry a sentence of 1 to 5 years in prison or probation. If the conduct is organized, prolonged, or causes significant financial loss, the penalty can increase to 10 to 15 years, along with restitution, fines, and a permanent criminal record. On September 2nd, 2017, Tosha Faye Sponsler was arrested by police and placed in a patrol car. However, she suddenly escaped, jumped into the driver's seat, and stole the police vehicle to make a run for it. During the chase, Sponsler lost control, crashed into a tree, and the car flipped over. Officers immediately moved in, pulled her out, and restrained her on the spot.
Yeah, about that. God dang! Hey! God! Shit. What the hell?
Outside. Bust no weapons on him. Bust the window. Bust the window.
Where's the window punch? Window punch!
Window punch. Window punch. Cover. I got cover.
Escape is considered a serious offense, carrying a prison sentence of 1 to 5 years. If weapons, violence, or injuries are involved during the escape, the penalty can increase to 10 to 20 years. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you won't miss other gripping stories.